everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use PayPal to buy gift cards. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To buy gift cards using PayPal is quite simple. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box at the top, type in www.paypal.com/us/gifts/all and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in this page where you can choose gift cards of your choice. Simply go ahead and choose the gift card category and give it a click. Go ahead and select a gift card you'd like to purchase and give it a click. Now, select the amount you'd want in your gift card to contain and select if this is a gift or you are buying the gift card for yourself. Choose one of the options and click on Add to Cart. You can go open up your cart at the top right hand corner. On the next page, you'll be able to see the total amount of money you need to pay. Simply confirm your payment and click on Buy Now. Enter your login code on the next page and make sure to type it in correct. Now you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to buy gift card with PayPal. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.